Hello everyone, welcome to Como Live. I'm Victoria, a horticulturist here at the Como Conservatory, and we have something new for you today. We hear it's all the rage doing unboxing videos, so we're going to try one of our own. These cuties are here for the sunken garden. So let's see what we got today. Very exciting. Oh my gosh, okay. Ooh, babies, cute. What do we have here? Verbena. So nice. This gives you an idea of how small the plants are that we start out with. And what have we got here? Oh my gosh, is this a salvia? Oh, cute. Look at those little flowers. No flowering, you're too young. Oh my gosh, precious. What else do we have in here? Petunias. Have you ever seen petunias this small? Look at that. So little, you just want to put it in your pocket. So cute. And we have so many more. Wow. Precious. So this is how some of these are shipped. If you come around to this other side, you'll see how they package them. Kind of like a little apartment building. Yeah. Maybe we should see what's in the other one here. All of these tiny little plants will be repotted in bigger and bigger pots until they're ready for the sunken. Ooh, yeah, here we go. Now we're talking. Oh, cute. So this is what this is going to look like eventually. Baby begonias. I love begonias. This whole box is all baby begonias. Look at that. Some of the leaves are a little roughed up. That's okay. So cute. Nothing like getting babies in the mail to really get us excited for spring and summer here at Como. So if you come and visit in the summer, a lot of these will be full grown. That's how fast it takes. It is the hardest thing about this job is getting these in and just being like, oh, I want it. I want it so bad. Cute. This means it's busy season here at Como. Thanks for joining us for this little sweet unboxing. If you like it, we can do more. We've got a lot of plants coming in for this season, and they're all tiny babies. So thanks for joining us, everybody.